Hi everyone, Ade from Norcal Outdoor. My car here, Honda Clarity 2018. I got the service due soon, A1. You want to see when the due is, you can click this menu here and click it again. Click it until you see like the wrench here. When you see that, you can click this enter button. It will see here, they say service due in 3 weeks. So I'm going to change this oil and filters, so you can see from here. You click the home button, go to the setting, vehicles here, can scroll up. This is maintenance info. This is for the A1, oil filter and tire rotation. So I'm going to perform all of those, but I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter and also the oil itself. So oil and filter for now. Bottom here, under here there's a latch, so just push it to the right. Right. Yes. This is where you fill the oil. We're going to use the 0 to 20. This is good to check it. Make this loose a little bit. It's the oil that I'm going to use. We're going to need this about 3.5 quarters. You will need a flat screwdriver here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm missing one of this. After you take all of them, just need to slide this, push it. The drain plug is here, oil filter here, so easy access. You will need 17mm wrench. I will measure this again after I bring the car down. Now it's time to change the filter. This filter I got, the new one. There's a clip here. So here, just 2 clips. So when you open the clips, you just push it. Don't take this MAP sensor off or disconnect it. Just pull it and push it. Push it there. There's the other two. There you go. Give it a little bit. Watch out for these cables. You need to take all the way up. This is the old one. See, mine is so dirty. With the same thing, you see this one. This facing outside here. The back. Now it's time to slide it back again. That's it. Press this clip. Done. So we're done with the filter. Remember to slide this to lock it. This is the clip look like. Now is the final step. We need to reset it. You have one minder. This one is to reset the tire rotation here. I'm going to rotate the tire, but just want to show it to you too, how to reset it again. Press number 1, tire rotation. Gone. Now there's no maintenance minder anymore. And here reset it in 6 months. Alright guys, thank you for watching, appreciate it. Please give a comment, or if you have any question or you want to share your experiences, so just put on a comment below. And thanks again guys, see ya.